Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to explore some valuable tips on upgrading your facility maintenance resume. You'll learn how to emphasize your technical and soft skills, how to customize your experiences to your potential employer's needs, and how to highlight your professional certifications. So stay tuned if you want to leverage the growing demand in the facility management sector, as the current workforce is averaging around 51 years old. Are you looking to level up your facility maintenance resume? You're in the right place. By focusing on projects that demonstrate your specialized technical skills, showcasing your soft skills, and tailoring your experiences to match the specific needs of your potential employer, you can significantly improve your resume. Don't forget to highlight any professional certifications or experience in hot areas like reliability or the industrial Internet of Things. Did you know that according to a survey by the International Facility Management Association, the average age of the facility management workforce is nearly 51 years old? This study highlighted a critical need for facility management labor. So, let's dive into how you can seize this opportunity by enhancing your resume. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of emphasizing your specialized technical skills. Whether it's heating, ventilating and air conditioning, electrical or plumbing repairs, or working with a specific type of manufacturing machinery, these technical skills, also known as hard skills, can be a game changer. Remember, these skills might be the first thing employers look for during the screening process. But it's not all about hard skills. Soft skills are equally important. As a maintenance technician or manager, your ability to proactively solve problems, work well in teams, communicate effectively, and empathize with coworkers can set you apart from the crowd. So make sure to highlight projects or experiences that demonstrate your strong application of these soft skills in your work. Now let's talk about customizing your resume. It's crucial to understand the position you're applying for and what the employer is specifically looking for in a new hire. By tailoring your resume to these needs, you'll have a significant advantage during the screening process. For instance, if a manufacturing facility is seeking a maintenance technician to look after its generators, compressors, and lifts, and you have experience in preventive maintenance tasks on that type of equipment, then don't hold back. Make sure to detail this experience on your resume. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to crafting a standout facility maintenance resume that not only showcases your skills and experience, but also aligns perfectly with the needs of your potential employer. And that wraps up our video on how to upgrade your facility maintenance resume. We've talked about the importance of emphasizing both your technical and soft skills, customizing your resume to your potential employer's needs, and highlighting your professional certifications. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Start enhancing your resume today.